If you like using ribbon in your home decor and DIYs, then you're going to want to stay tuned to see the new ribbon that has come out at Costco for the fall and holiday season. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including haul videos like this one. So why don't you consider subscribing? You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button down below. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the haul of ribbons I recently picked up from Costco, as well as a picture of the display of all the ribbons that are available. So let's get going on that. Now my husband was so sweet. He went into Costco for an item and he noticed that they had their fall and holiday ribbons out and told me about it. So I went back immediately and I went and got some. And I'll insert a picture here of the display that they always have for the ribbons so that you can see all the types of ribbons. I already have quite a few ribbons, but I was running low on some. So I definitely wanted to get some of this burlap ribbon. This is a little bit narrower. Let me get it so it's not glaring. This is a little bit narrower than the one I have now. The one I have now is a little wider than this. And they do have some wider ribbons, but not in the burlap. And this is a little bit darker tone than what I currently have as well. But if you're not familiar with these Costco ribbons, they come in a pack of 50 yards and they are $6.99. Now this is a really excellent deal. The ribbon is good quality, and if you usually get your ribbons at Dollar Tree, know that they usually have 3 yards on a spool of $1. So in order to get 50 yards, you would need to buy 17 spools of the ribbon, or $17 worth. So for $6.99, this is a much better deal than what you can get at Dollar Tree. I mentioned this last year when I showed the ribbons that were available as well. So that's why I like to get them there. So I did get that, and then I wanted to get some other neutral ribbons that could blend in with it. And they had this really pretty cream. It's a little bit iridescent. You can see that on camera here. It's glaring on the shiny cellophane that's over the ribbon, but maybe that's a better view. This looks like it could be sheer, but it's really not sheer. In the display, it definitely was not sheer. But this next ribbon is a gold mesh ribbon, and this definitely is sheer. It's a mesh. It has openings in the mesh. So it's also very pretty, and it has more of an iridescent tone to it than just straight gold. So I thought that would be good as an accent. So those were the neutral ribbons I picked up because those can be used any time of year, and I always like to get something like that when they have them available. Now on for more holiday type ribbons, although a couple of these you could use for other seasons as well. So this one I thought was really pretty. It's a red and gray and white plaid, and I wasn't really planning on decorating with red this year, but I really liked this ribbon, so I picked it up anyway. Maybe we'll use it for wrapping presents. Who knows? You could also use it for Valentine's Day. And to go with that, I wanted a red ribbon, and this is a satin red, but it's not too shiny. I can't really show you because I haven't taken the wrapper off of it, but it's not a shiny satin. It's more of a matte satin. And then I wanted some silver to go with the gray in here. So I found this silver. It has kind of a diamond pattern in it, and it also has more of an iridescent sparkle to it, not just straight silver. So here's the red, gray, and silver batch of ribbons that I got. And here's the more neutral beige cream gold set of ribbons that I got. Let me see if I can move these so they're not so shiny. There you go. Now, as you saw in the picture, they did have other ribbons available, and who knows, I may go back and get some once I check out the rest of my stash. If you like this video, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That lets me know you did, as well as letting YouTube know you did. And let me know in the comments down below if you like to buy ribbon at Costco, or if you think you'll go get some this fall now that they have them out. They at least were out at my store, so check your store too. That's it for now. I want to thank all of you for watching. And again, if you are new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of the video or the subscribe button down below. I look forward to seeing all of you next time, and I can't wait to start getting decorating for the fall season. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.